Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. So today's video is going to: have you noticed your Intel iMac taking forever to boot? Applications take minutes to open? The spinning beach ball appears all the time? If you own a 27-inch Intel iMac from 2012 to 2019 with a Fusion drive or traditional hard drive, don't replace your Mac just yet. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your slow Fusion drive to a fast SSD and dramatically improve your iMac's performance. Let's get started. Before opening your iMac, gather these tools. Compatible SATA SSD, 500 GB, 1 TB or larger. iMac opening wheel, plastic cards, T10 Torx screwdriver, T8 Torx screwdriver, T5 Torx screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, new display adhesive strips, microfiber cloth. If your SSD is 7 mm thick, use a spacer if necessary. Before doing anything, create a full backup using Time Machine Carbon Copy Cloner. Super duper never start hardware upgrades without a backup. Shut down macOS completely. Unplug. Power cable USB devices. Ethernet SD cards. Lay the iMac face up on a clean soft towel to protect the display. This is the most delicate step. Use the opening wheel to carefully cut through the adhesive around the display. Work slowly around all 4 edges. Once loose, lift the display only a few inches. Do not pull it away completely. 2 display cables are still attached. Disconnect display power cable, display data cable. Now safely remove the display. Set it somewhere clean. Locate the hard drive inside the iMac. Disconnect SATA cable power cable. Remove the Torx screws securing the drive. Locate the hard drive inside the iMac. Disconnect SATA cable power cable. Remove the Torx screws securing the drive. Lift the hard drive out. If your iMac uses a Fusion drive, the SSD portion remains on the motherboard. You're replacing only the slow mechanical hard drive. Mount your SATA SSD using the original brackets. Reconnect SATA power, SATA data. Secure the SSD. Double-check every connector before continuing. Remove the old adhesive completely. Clean both surfaces. Apply brand new adhesive strips. Carefully align the display. Before sealing the iMac, reconnect both display cables. Press firmly around the edges. I have already posted a video on how to install macOS. Please watch it. Upgrading a 27-inch Intel iMac from a Fusion drive to an SSD is one of the best performance upgrades you can make. It's affordable, extends the life of your Mac, and makes everyday tasks dramatically faster. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Mac repair and upgrade tutorials, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.